back to another Project Bimmer video, my 1995 BMW 318, and I've just done the track rod end, so that video will come out by the time you see this. Now in this video we'll see if we can make these wheels a bit smarter. Now from a distance they look okay, if you get closer in you'll see what I mean. Now you can see the brake dust on there, and the wheel centre doesn't look too bad. We'll go to this next wheel, and it's a little bit mucky, and you can see it's a bit pitted. We'll go around the other side. Again, it's not too bad. Again, it's a bit pitted, is that wheel centre. And lastly, the left front wheel again. We've got brake dust, and there, the stickers actually. I think it's starting to come away. You can see it's starting to come off. So I'm sure there's something we can do to make these look a bit more presentable. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to use this stuff, Wonder Wheels Colour Active, on the wheels. Basically it turns the dirt red, and you just, once it does that, it rinses off. I think I've seen this on another YouTube channel, maybe in a Savage Garage perhaps. Anyway, we'll see how we get on. Right, we've got this stuff from Halfords, so I'll put a link in the description. So I'll start with this wheel. Right, move on to next wheel. Well, I missed that one, I didn't catch it on video, but we'll move on to the next wheel after this one. I've done it again with this wheel as well. I didn't record it, and I'm supposed to leave it for 5 minutes and let it do its stuff. Now I've got this in Halfords, so I'll put a link in the description, and I'll come back to you when it's ready to be rinsed off. Okay, I think it's had long enough, so I've got my watering can. I'll just rinse this stuff off, and I'll do the same with other 3 wheels. You don't have to see that. Well, I didn't quite work as well as I'd hoped. It's got them cleaner, but I think it was probably down to impatience on my part. Now I've got some new wheel centres. I got these on Amazon, so we'll just get these opened up. There we are, nice new wheel centres. We'll get these old ones out, hopefully without having to take the wheel off. Right, I've got my trim tool, see if I can get it off without damaging anything. Hopefully I won't have to take the wheel off. So that's one off with the old. Like it says these are about £5 on Amazon. I'll put the affiliate link in the description. So just pull this protective wrapping off, and there we go. Well, next set new, I think that's lifted it, so I'll just do rest at wheels and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. So last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the sidewalls with this Auto Glim tyre dressing. I got this from Halfords. I can put a link in the description, but you can get it anywhere that sells Auto Glim products. Now you can do it one of 2 ways. You can just spray it on and wipe it straight off for a satin look, or you just spray it on and leave it, and it gets all nice and shiny. So I'll do all 4 wheels, then we just need to leave it, and then we'll come back and you can see what it's like. Right, I've left it a while. It's still not quite finished, but you can see looks a lot better than it did before. New wheel centres in there, and the sidewall treatment. I'll just quickly show you around the other side as well. You can see there, definitely looking a lot better. So I'm going to wrap up this little video. So I hope you enjoy this one. I've ordered some more stuff. I've ordered some LED lights for the interior, so when they come I'll do a video for that. And I'm going to do the rear lights, because the indicators are still amber, and I want some with the clear. Now, I found out a problem with these is you can see the bulb. You can see the amber bulb. What I call the fried egg effect. So what I've done is I've ordered some indicator bulbs that are chrome. They still light up amber, but then you don't see the amber bulbs in these clear indicators. And I think BMW did specify chrome indicator bulbs with the clear lenses. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.